Hello, baby girl. Can you look at Grandma, huh? Oh, what a sweet little face, yes. Have you got the hiccups this morning? Have you got the hiccups this morning? What do you think, Slider? Does she have the hiccups?
Continuing the process of doing well in the draft they started the last couple of years with Matthew Stafford and, of course, the wide receiver Calvin Johnson. Okay, now nobody wants to be on this list, especially in what we consider a deep draft, the teams that did not fulfill your expectations. Who were they? Minnesota Vikings have a ton of talent traded out in the first round. Needed a corner to Chris Cook from Virginia. Let's see a little more aggressiveness and toughness out of Chris Cook. Toby Garrett, I like him. Not the receiving threat out of the backfield I think they needed. I like Everson Griffin, but he's inconsistent. And obviously they need to bring in the air.